There. What? What wisdom? Okay, never mind. Alright. There. Now, in this video, we're just going to straighten it a little bit. It there. Re-put the metal that we forged there to flatten it. Or not flatten it, to shape it. Just going to do that to flatten it. And that way, we'll just keep making this hang like that. There we go. Go. There. There. Huh?
I said the last hit my opponent got.
Okay.
Because my slice hit my arm. But that does not.
After you split them, dude, do you want to put them in the chicken coop?
What's that right there?
Yep.
What are you doing with them?
Winter wood. Okay. God damn, I gotta press the side properly. Oh well. Oh, that's fine. You know, you forget what side you were trying to do, and you're like, you did one side too well again. There we go. Cool. Yes. You can't make them too small, his ears, is what I'm saying. Those are fine for kindling. I'm just saying, like, the ones you split into thicker, like, halves with the sword you bought that you borrowed from me. Do them first.
Use that sword?
Yeah, stack them first. Don't keep using just your kunai. Because we don't want them to be just kindling, right? We want actual, like, burning wood. There. Yeah, there we go. Sorry I wasn't talking for a bit. There. There.
Is it all on you?
Just had to catch my breath for a sec.
Here, wait just a second. I'm
There we go.
gonna go see what Auntie's doing now. I'll use that.
This might be a little bit of a boring video. Hey, like I said. There we go. There. Okay. You know what? We'll see what I want to do with them there. I build a one-handed long sword like a rapier-esque weapon. What if? Not as thin. set. And that, make the shoulders. Oh. Go. There. There we go. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh wait, how long has this episode been? Oh fuck, only 12 minutes. That's not bad. Right.
Pass me the sword whenever you can.
Huh?
Pass me the sword whenever you can.
Alright. There. Okay. There. Alright. Here. Those of you that just are asking, what the fuck? What else is gonna split wood? I make most of the axes I've made are lost or I sold. All I got are swords. Don't worry about it, Nazir.
What?
Oh no, I'm just teasing you.
Oh, you are.
Yeah, I'm recording.
I kind of moved the camera a little bit. That's why I said, are you recording?
There we go. Oh. There we go. What? Well, it resets every 2 o'clock, Nazir. We try to tell you, just like Martika. At 2 o'clock, if they decide there's a burn ban, there's a burn ban. And it resets 2 o'clock tomorrow. I know what she says, but your auntie doesn't like listening to me. Or Grammy. Ah. Start hitting the other side. That shoulder. Oh. Sometimes you just need an extra. Yes, it's here. It's firewood. Yes, that's firewood.
But yeah, that's the thing why I don't let you turn the turn.
Yeah. This sometime in the weekend, Nazir, if there's not a burn ban, and because there's 3 days off, we might just go in the back 40, cut some trees down. There. There we go. There. straighten it. There. What?
A spider somehow attached to my hair.
Don't run with swords.
Josh. Spider!
Big fuck off
If you're
Viking
in a sword
blade.
fight, you have to. You can do this.
No, dude. It was a spider. You're talking about how much you kill bears and shit. A fucking spider doesn't make you go.
Well, cause
It's fucking comical, my friend.
Alright, guys. A bear. I was actually going face on.
Yeah, sure, boy, sure.
But
sure.
the spider
He just
was
heard
on.
you cry
The
for a
spider was
spider.
right here. I could have chopped my head. Josh, the spider was
Oh,
right
fuck.
here. I could have messed
Bro,
up.
bro,
I could have messed up and hit my
bro.
head.
It unk, my friend. It's unk. Not bro.
I mean, it's not really like your head. Because you would have helped me with the spider. What? The spider was right here. I could have messed up and hit my head with the sword. If there was a spider right on your head,
Oh my god.
would you risk trying to hit the spider? Or would you not? Because you could mess up and hit your head with the sword and that'd go bad.
My dude, that's not what I'm saying. Not
That's not what I'm saying, what you're saying.
Okay, what am I saying?
You're saying I'm scared of a spider, but I can take on a bear.
Yes, yes, yes.
But that's the thing, the bear's not right on my head. Spider was.
A bear is worse than a spider. You're
Alright,
here.
but
Yeah.
dying is worse than a bear?
Dying from what? Dying from what?
You're not listening to what I'm
I
saying.
am listening to what you're saying.
Okay, listen.
Okay.
The spider was close, right here. If I would have tried hitting the spider, I
That's
could
why I
have made
said-
a wrong move and hit my head.
Well, yeah. Why didn't you just drop the sword and smack your own head with your hand? Is what I'm saying.
Because I don't want to have a spider crushed on my head. And not only that,
Then you decided to run here with the sword.
why would I drop the sword if it can...
Throw it in the just throw it away from you, like 2 feet, and you're fine. It's safer to do that than it is to run with the sword. Is what I'm trying to tell you.
And what if the sword ends up breaking?
What if you trip holding the goddamn sword, running, and the sword goes through your goddamn neck?
I mean, there's two ways.
I mean.
I
Yeah.
could throw
Yeah.
throw the sword.
Okay. I
And
just say,
then
why
I
you
wouldn't
being
have
so
time to-
argumentative where you could have just fucking listened to me? I just say, okay.
Thought that counts. I didn't hit my head,
No.
or I didn't fall with
I'm
the
just
sword.
letting you know, my guy, you could have killed yourself, is all I'm saying.
I have a good
Oh,
grip on
no.
that sword. If I have a good grip on it,
No.
you don't even have
No,
a good grip on your
I do
axe.
not care, my guy.
Well,
Do not
let
care,
a
my
kid
guy.
be a kid. If he gets hurt, it's not your fault. It's his fault.
Just letting you know, if you can run with a goddamn sword, or you fall, you stab your own self in the neck. That is your goddamn fault,
Yeah, it is.
not mine.
That's what I said. But if the cops are called, it technically would be your fault. 'Cause
That's what I'm.
you let a kid
That's
have a
what I
sword.
mean. So that's why I'm telling you, as a kid, shut up and listen.
A 33-year-old man with life
And
experience.
I'm telling you to shut up and listen.
No, You're not listening.
No, you're not listening.
You're not.
You're not listening, Nazir.
You're not.
Nazir, enough with the talk back.
It's
All
not
right.
talk back.
Yes, it is. And watch your goddamn feet. You don't do that with your goddamn foot right
It
there.
was already in
No,
the
I
wall.
don't care, Nazir. And I seen you stab the fucking thing. Stop being argumentative. God fucking damn it, that kid. Wants to be argumentative. Fucking worry about the kid's fucking safety. Oh no, I'm the fucking bad guy. Fucking children. I know I'm gonna have the same goddamn words with my kid. And he's gonna go crying to Auntie. And Martika is just gonna take his fucking side. Right? Ay. Oh. Alright. Oh wow, it's been a half hour. Alrighty. If you like this video, give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. Hope you guys enjoy your day. I know I'm gonna get yelled at when I get back. Alright, peace.